Good morning, grade 2. I hope everything is fine. Let's start today's lesson. Today is Monday, 23rd of March 2020. We will start with our 7th unit, our green earth. Now, as you see in this picture, page 90, we have this park, and this park have many people, and we have this park keeper, and we have a father and a child, and there are some people doing different things, but there are also signs. These are called signs. These signs tell us what we need to do or not to do in the park. Now, if you look here, you can see that it's written no cycling. This means that people can't ride their bikes here. Here also is written don't drop litter. So you have to drop litter in the bin, etc. Now I want you to look at the picture and you can tell me what are other people doing? What can people do in the park? Some people are flying kites. What about these people? What are they doing? Now let's move to the next page, page 91. In this page you have these vocabulary, new vocabulary. Let's read them together. Of course, I will send you the listening tracks so you can listen to them and repeat after that track. Let's read them first. Sign. Notice that here G is silent. We don't pronounce it. Sign. Rules. Grass. Cycling. This C is pronounced as S. This C is pronounced as K. Cycling, cycling. Fishing, fishing. Sandwich, bin, and litter. Okay, now we have these 4 signs. Can you tell me what do these signs mean? If we start with the first one, A, what does this sign mean? You have a picture of someone swimming and you have this line here like this. So this means you can't swim here. No swimming. For letter B, it means that you can't catch fish. No fishing. No fishing. For letter C, it means no throwing letters, or you need to throw letters in the bin. And the last one, D, it means no cycling. No cycling. Now page 92. In this page we have something very important to do. We are going to talk about this. What's this? This is a tree. Very good. Now what do we know about trees? We know different things about trees. Trees have leaves. Trees have fruit. They give us fruit. Trees have this wooden trunk, we call it, and we can take wood from this. And in trees, birds can build nests. Birds can build nests. Now, what else can trees do to us? Let's read the text here, and then I will send you questions about this text. I want you to answer it, okay? So let's read number 1. The green leaves reach high into the air. They clean the dirty air. They give us fresh air to breathe. Breathe. We breathe fresh air. It means clean air, not dirty. Number 2. Some trees give us fruit, like lemons and cherries. Other trees give us nuts. So we can take different fruits and nuts from trees. 3. People use the wood to make fires for cooking and for warmth. What does that mean? It means that if you want to cook, people in the past, they used to use wood to cook, to make fires and then to cook. And they use it for warmth. If they are cold, they can make fire by the wood to feel warm. They build houses and boats and furniture. They use wood to make paper. Number 4, the roots reach down into the ground. These are the roots. They reach down into the ground. They hold the soil in place for other plants and grass. So it is very important to have these roots. Why? Because if we don't have it, the tree will fall down. Disappearing trees. All over the world, people are cutting down trees. People cut down trees to make room for new buildings. They cut down trees to get more wood and make more paper. When trees are cut down, animals lose their homes. There are fewer trees to clean the air and hold the soil in place. Next page. Help save the trees. Children all over the world help to save trees. In some schools, children plant trees. In many schools, children recycle paper. A factory uses the old paper to make new paper, so fewer trees are cut down. Now, I want you to answer the question I will send, okay? Let's go now to page 96. In page 96, we can see that this father and kid are at the market and they are trying to buy food seeds or plants. Let's see, what did they ask first? What is this? What is this? This is a bean plant. This is a bean plant. Why did we use this? Why didn't we say these or that? Why? Because the boy is near the plant, so he can touch that plant, so we say this. And the plant is one, so if we have one thing which is near, we use this. What if I have more than one? What can I use? You can use these. What are these? These are carrot plants. Look at this. These are carrot plants. So we have more than one. Okay? We use this for one thing. We use these for two or more things. Now, in the next page, you can see that we are speaking about that and those. So now, if you have something near, you can use this. If you have something far, you are pointing to something far, we can use that. That for one, those for more than one, but they should be far. Okay? I want you to read this here and fill in the spaces with the missing word from the word box. So I will do the first one as an example. What fruit? What nice fruit. I want you to complete this, please.